Operating a time delay safe equipped with the LG66E Keypad with eKey enabled. Enter in your user combination. Briefly insert and remove that user's eKey. Immediately afterward, the light on the keypad will begin blinking about once every second. Once the time delay is completed, you'll see this begin blinking much more rapidly. This time delay has been set for 60 seconds. We'll wait for the end of the time delay. Then when the keypad begins blinking rapidly, indicating the open window session has begun, and the keypad is waiting for another code entry, then we can go ahead and enter the code one more time, use the eKey one more time, and proceed with opening the safe door. The keypad is chirped to indicate that it is now time for the open window period. This is the amount of time you have to enter the combination in the eKey one more time in order to open the door. So we'll go ahead and use any existing user combination in eKey to open the door. Insert and immediately remove the eKey, and the lock can now be unlocked.